How to use NBA 2K HQ. First, download and open NBA 2K HQ from the App Store or Google Play. And then you need to sign in with, I'm gonna sign in with Steam here. The app requires you to be 18 plus, so make sure that you choose your real age. Now let's head over to create build. And from here you can create your my player. Okay, my own. Let's do a name. Let's do 11, continue. And from here you can customize things such as height, weight, wingspan, position, attributes, badges, takeover, and the specialization. NBA 2K27's builder also introduces female My Player builds, badge tokens, and a new synergy system. Let's increase everything for it to be 99. And there you go, let's continue. And then you can go back to builds, and here's your build. Now, if you play with a crew, NBA 2K HQ lets you manage it from your phone. You can use crew management, roster management, invites, friend list, and real-time messaging, so you can communicate with your squad without being on the console. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.